If you're stuck making less than $2,000 a month and you have no idea what's missing, you're not alone. But there is a roadmap and I'm about to go through it and give it to you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what you need to focus on, what you need to do, what you need to avoid so you can hit 20K a month. Okay? So what I see over and over again with creators is analysis paralysis. So when I say this, I see excessive thought with the lack of action. And this is what's preventing them from hitting what they can actually achieve. And I actually do understand where it comes from. I get there's so much information out there paired with the lack of clarity, with the lack of direction and the lack of right actions to take. This is what's stopping creators like you from hitting 20K a month as well. So what I'm going to teach and go through has allowed us to take creators from 0 to 20K a month multiple times. And I'm going to give you a bit of a roadmap on how you can do it yourself and how you can get there and how actually easy it is as well. So if you're making over 20K a month, this video is probably not for you. This is more for creators who are making less than 6K a month. Either they're beginning or they're stuck at that, say, wild 2K a month and they can't move from there as well. I'm going to start off with, say, your more basic things. I'm going to be focused on how to make your marketing successful. This is your key foundations. So if you've, and this is what I'm presuming, you've already got everything set up. You've got your funnel set up. That's clear. Your cover photo, your profile pic, your bio, all of the basics are set up. That's what I'm presuming. If you haven't, or you don't think yours are good enough, what I'll do, in my Telegram channel, I'll build a resource on what I think the most successful ones are to help with that. But the priority I need you to focus on is having a successful marketing and a marketing strategy. So the whole game of OnlyFans is, and having a successful OnlyFans is marketing. The whole game is getting attention. If people do not know who you are, how are they going to sub to you? How are they going to pay to you? They're not. So the whole game to make money with OnlyFans is marketing. So to hit your first 20K a month, I do not want you to focus on all these little things, hashtags, subtleties, tools, none of that. I want all your energy and focus to go to marketing and getting attention in every way possible and any way possible. And you'll see this with the most successful OnlyFans creators. This is their foundation. This is the most important. So I'm going to start with the more simple things, and then over time I'll go through the more, say, complex things as well. So the first thing you need to be clear on is your branding. And when I say branding, I need you to understand who you are, who your identity is, and who you're going to target as well, and how you're going to be perceived. Because having a strong branding and being clear on this is what's going to make you stand out. Okay? And there's 3 things you need to focus on, 3 leverage points you need to focus on where you can put the least effort in and get the biggest result before you blow up. So number 1, your strengths. Your strengths are anything you can do well in a positive way. I mean, do you have a skill? Can you handstand? Can you backflip? Any strength possible you can use, which is going to make you stand out instantly and grab attention instantly. Your USP. So USP are typically either your physical ones or your personality. So your physical ones are you tall? Are you small? Have you got big boobs, small boobs? Have you got a big ass? Have you got a long tongue? I mean, even if you've got no arms, that's a USP. Your character ones are more focused on, say, are you funny, dark humor, wild, very flirty, that type of thing as well. Any USP helps you make or helps you be unique and also grabs attention and stands out as well. Then your niche is just about who you're targeting. What audience pocket are you targeting? Okay, so with niches, we see creators go to outdoors or office niche, that type of thing. I recommend if you're going to find a niche that works for you, stick to a hobby that you actually enjoy so you can blend these together. But these are the 3 leverage points where you need to be clear on, which will have a most and a big significant impact on having OnlyFans become successful, having you hit the 20K a month. Okay? With being clear on your branding, it's not only going to make it easier to come up with ideas, but it will also help you target the right people as well. I mean, can you think of some people or anyone that has a niche or has any unique points? Okay. Now your research. So now exactly you know who you are. You need to, and what to actually leverage on. You need to start finding creators that are similar to you or content that's gone viral that is similar to what you want to target. Okay. So first of all, with your research, you need to focus on creators that are similar to you, because you need to understand what's doing well, what you need to focus on in your niche, because you don't want to be searching for videos that are not going to work for you at all. I don't want you to be playing tennis metaphorically with a badminton racket. It's simple as that. When you have some creators noted down, some viral videos and content saved, I need you to start identifying patterns. Why is this doing well in this video? Oh, it's doing well there again. Why is this not doing good? You need to see these patterns because it gives your mind calibration to what's working and what's not working. I mean, if you need a bit of help with that, in my Telegram channel, I break down viral content. I share breakdowns in real time so you can see what's successful right now. And this is going to give you calibration to what's working for when you make content. So research content with over 1 million views, and same with creators that are performing consistently. After you've found creators that are similar to you, then you can start looking at what's popular overall. And this way, it just allows you to understand what's popular and you can bridge it with your niche. So as I'm videoing this, right now, a popular trend is the Ashton Hall morning routine. Imagine if you, say, bridge that with your niche, how viral you can go. Now, making content and going viral. So you understand how you're going to stand out, and you understand and figured out what's working for other creators. The next thing you need to actually do, and the only thing you can do now, is start creating content that will go viral and having the right content to actually post as well. So what I'll say, first of all, the platforms you want to focus on are going to be TikTok and IG, just for the fact that they're easiest to go viral on and they have the biggest reach. Whereas, say, Twitter and Reddit, at first they're complicated and they don't have as big of a reach instantly as well. So with these, TikTok and IG, you need to focus on posting once a day as your minimum, with short form videos as your minimum. Start with the platforms with just one account. Now, what I see with creators, and when I speak to them, they say, I've got 25 accounts set up. Why do you have 25 accounts set up with 500 views when none of your videos can get over 30k views? You do not have a mass account problem, you have a content problem. Fix that, get good at marketing before you start expanding that way. So just focus on one account first of all until you get good at making content. Now with the content, every video you make, I want you to focus on getting better and better. So when you notice one video's gone viral, figure out why that went viral. That's the whole goal, okay? So as I said, follow one reel a day, one TikTok a day, 3 TikTok lives a week, and that's your start. You will have to expand and you will have to grow this. But this is how you're going to get your first 500 subscribers. And to be honest, 500 subscribers should help you hit 20k after selling. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, I know you're someone who is dedicated to become successful, especially with OnlyFans. So I want to go through just a few things you need to avoid and what a lot of creators have and where their setback is. So first of all, effort. This is not something simple and easy. You are required to work hard, get better. As I said, you need to focus on getting better. It requires a lot of effort and time. Consistency. Creators that fail and don't hit the 20k a month, what I see over and over again with them is they post for a week and they might be consistent that whole week. But this is an in and out process. You can't have a week off, week posting, week off. You have to be consistently. The third thing is bad content. That's why I said it's so important to keep improving your content. Really, at the end of the day, for marketing, the whole way you're going to get there and get more attention and have a successful OnlyFans is by making good content. And then shadow bans. Shadow bans is a massive problem with people. The only way I can get around this is you're going to go through it yourself and find, oh, if I do this, I'm going to get shadow banned or whatever. However, if you work with management, they'll just help you prevent that or help get accounts back. Now, if you do these 3 things and then avoid these 4 things, what I can tell you definitely is you will make your first 20k a month. And at the minimum, you'll get 500 subscribers. And because you've gone or you've came all this way, I want to give you a gift. What I'm going to do in my Telegram, I'm going to make a PDF just going through these 3 things. It'll maybe just 1 page. And it'll be like a workbook. So it helps you pick your strengths, your USP, your niche, where you need to research and how much you need to post. Now I've gone through these 3 things. You're definitely going to hit this as long as you stay consistent to it and work to it. The game doesn't just reward talent, it rewards clarity and execution as well. So you have the roadmap. It's your move.